Hello everyone, welcome to EFIN. My name is Edward and I will be your guide in these videos. The first video is about installing EFIN. You just have to go to efin.com and scroll down to the download sections. It's pretty easy. If you're on Mac, you just click this button, and if you're on Windows, you just click this button. An installer will automatically download and you can simply start it like any other program. Now, this is simply for your wallet. You can store currencies in it without needing any type of account. Since EFIN is a decentralized network, you do not have to log into anything to be able to just store your cryptocurrency. Now, if you want to trade, you will need a Blast Network account. This is simply to know who you are and to link you with our reward system. Now, for that, you simply have to go to blastnetwork.com and click the register button. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to be able to make an account. After that, you can start EFIN, and I'm going to show you how that looks like in just a moment. Now, after downloading EFIN, you'll be able to see this installer. Simply double-click it and follow the instructions. Now, after downloading EFIN and installing it, you will be able to see it on your desktop. Simply double-click it. You will be welcomed by this screen right here. Now, you have the option to import a wallet if you, for example, have an old one on one of your computers, or you can create a new wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own new wallet. Simply click Create. Here you can see all of our terms and conditions. Read them carefully if you have any questions, and click Agree. Here you'll have to set up a password to encrypt your wallet. This is simply so that no one is authorized to access your funds. You can see it has to be at least 12 characters in length and contain one number. So just put a password that suits your needs. And confirm it. To be able to continue, you have to check this box that you acknowledge that once you set your password, you cannot recover it if you forget it. And click Next. Here you will see the 24 words that represent your wallet. If you want to import this wallet onto a new device or after a fresh installation of EFIN, you will need them. We recommend you write them down on a piece of paper and put it in your wallet. This is like keeping the information of your bank account secure so that not even your bank knows it. So after you write them down or store them however you wish, simply click this button right here. And you will have to input them to make sure that it's you. I'm going to skip this screen and I'll be right back. And once your wallet is ready to use, you will see this screen right here welcoming you. Clicking Start will let you use your new shiny wallet. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to deposit and how to withdraw currency. Thanks for watching.